avec Saoudiens pour annoncer type d'investissement, niveau et que les pral atteindre entre États-Unis ensemble avec les pays Arabie Saoudite.
We produce it ourselves. We started that in the United States, in our plant in Arizona. We built all of our cars there. We built our drive units there, the major components of the powertrain, the battery packs and battery modules. So we're actually quite highly vertically integrated. Why is that important? If you run into supply chain constraints, as we have seen in the last couple of years, you can make changes yourself. Talking about rare earth materials and permanent magnets for our drive units. We have the ability, and we are actually redeveloping our drive units right now to consume less rare earth materials and therefore being less dependent. So that's the power of vertical integration. The second topic about localization. As I just mentioned, we are producing most of our key components first in the US, and now we're doing the same in our plant in King Abdullah Economic City, where we're currently building a full plant with 150,000 units of capacity. And we're doing this together with SEER. The 5 components that Jim just mentioned are also the components that we are localizing. And it's also the same, like what Jim just said. Some things you definitely want to localize, and others you want to have access to the global markets. And for that, coming to the third point, the stability, for that you need stability, that you basically have regulatory environment, tariffs that you can rely on. That's also a reason why we made, as the first automotive manufacturer back in 2020, the decision to build a plant in the kingdom. Quite frankly, at that time, that was very unique. And we've been asked very, very often, why are you doing this? Why are you not building the second plant in China, as everybody was about to do at that time? And we already at that time thought, okay, things are going to change. There will be much more pressure and turmoil in China. And therefore, we made the decision here to really buy into the Vision 2030 and be a part of that vision.
Well, we do.
Donc voilà, c'est une partie dans la déclaration que monsieur a fait dans le cadre débat ça, dans le cadre sommet ça qu'a réalisé sous investissement entre États-Unis et Arabie Saoudite. Monsieur parlait d'une série de concessionnaires automobiles ou bien il y a même qui confectionne automobiles ça donc plein de ça qui a mis on a parlé de plein c'est comme d'avait de factory côté que il y a produit machine ça il y a produit pièces pour machine ça que on va mettre ici aux États-Unis pendant qu'il a développé dans la zone arabe là mais dans le pays Arabie Saoudite. Tout bon chez Pstars Radio Télévision, mesdames messieurs, restez avec nous ou connaît nous disons ça déjà information là côté que lien a chercher pour nous peut-être pour